I don't know about this. Body. It's giving shape. It's giving waist snatched, okay? Hi dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, Kayla Lashae, where I bring you girls all the fashion, all the beauty, all the lifestyle, all the self-care. Baby, we do a little bit of everything over here, so if you guys enjoy this type of content, definitely stick around. I have a really fun video for you girls today. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up if you guys enjoy videos like this. Today, we're getting into a new in Temu Spring 2023 try on review, and also for sizing I ordered everything in a size small, and I'll pop links down below for you guys to all the pieces here in this video. And also Temu was so nice enough to give you girls a discount code, so make sure you guys use this discount code so you guys can save on your next Temu order. They have a huge spring sale right now. I think you can get up to like 90% off on the website, and you could also use the discount code on top of all the savings. So I'm going to show you guys what I picked up today in this video. So let's get started. I definitely wanted to get some colors and stuff, and I got some pieces to like transition. It's kind of cold here still some random days. Now I think we're in a heat wave, so it's very up and down, and night times it can be a lot more cool than during the day. So I just got, like I said, some sweaters, some dresses, some skirts, stuff like that for this spring season. So this actually looked really cute. I vividly remember seeing this on the Temu website, and it's like a dress that you can tie a million different ways, and it's in like this seafoam green type of color, and it's a maxi skirt, and I believe it has a backless. Yeah, it's backless. I've been loving anything backless recently. It's very heavy, and it's like a soft stretchy jersey material, but I thought this would be something cute for like a brunch, or you're going out to the park, you're going on like a cute day date, something fun, because this color is definitely screaming springtime vibes. Okay, maybe you're going to a museum in this city, I don't know, but it's just a really nice, simple, basic, and I feel like they do a lot of like trendy items, but they also have some solid colors and those basics for everyone's wardrobe that's more on the timeless side. So I love pieces like that, especially when I'm shopping at more affordable places like Temu, because it's not screaming like super trendy. You can definitely wear it more than one time. The next thing I picked up and I wanted to try out was this top. It was definitely giving me like Euphoria vibes with the cutout details, and it's a crop top. So I think crop tops are great, universal. You can definitely mix them with any type of bottom. You can dress them up or dress them down. This is also in a size small, and it has long sleeves to it, which I really like. Has a little bit of stretch to it, and the material, that's what the material looks like. Has some stretch. So I probably wouldn't want to wear a bra with this, but we'll see how it is. It's on the thin side, but you never know until you put it on. This is like first impressions I'm bagging for right now. And then this color, I love this shade of green. It's just so bright. This is definitely one of those transitional pieces that I see myself wearing at nighttime, but also carrying it into the fall season. But wearing this with like some denim shorts and some sneakers, such a cute fit, especially if it's a little bit more chilly for that day. And it is a turtleneck, but the color is just screaming spring to me, which I really liked. And this is a really nice knit. Has a little bit of stretch to it. It's thick, and it has different texture knits. This I definitely 10 out of 10 recommend. So got this in a size small. These are some track pants, and I hope they are long leg friendly. They are a navy blue color, and they have adjustable tie in the front, elastic waist, which is always nice. So if you're in between sizes, most likely you'll be able to get a better fit. These I think I got in a medium actually, and they have zipper pockets and like reflective piping down this side. This I thought would be a really casual piece that I could wear with literally a bodysuit, a sweatshirt, honestly anything. Standing up, it's like grazing the bottom of my ankle. So we'll know when we wear it and try it on. It is high-waisted though too, So we'll keep that in mind. I don't know about this. What is this? I don't like this material. Oh, it's a skirt. It's like a jersey cotton, but it's heathered. Has some stretch to it. And it's like a cargo style maxi skirt. So it has cargo pockets. It looked cute on the website. This is the thing. This is why I be doing these videos. We could see what's going on. What, Temu, what is this? It has a dip in the front. So maybe it's going to help us make our waist look snatched. It is thin. So definitely want to wear some shorts underneath. I don't know about this, but again, it might surprise me when we try it on. Next, another knitwear item. I loved this when I saw it on the website. Was giving me very preppy vibes. Actually, it's kind of similar to what I'm wearing right now. Sorry, that was my sports bra. I'm going to the gym after this. Like a cropped sweater. I love cropped sweaters for that transitional spring weather. Again, you never know if it's going to be cold, if it's going to be hot, because let's be honest, who's wearing a crop top in the winter time? Nobody, because it's going to be cold. But these are perfect. So I thought these would go really well with some denim shorts and some sneakers. Like such a vibe. So I got this one in a size small. I can already tell I'm going to be obsessed with it. Has a little bit of stretch to it, and it has a couple of buttons here as well. So you could wear it as like a cropped cardigan or as a sweater, which I think is super cute. So definitely going to be wearing this week because it's so cute. I love that. And then the last thing in this little bag here is a ribbed tank top dress, and I would say this is like an orangey brown cognac type of color, and it has some ribbing on it. This isn't a size small. You could see it's giving body, it's giving shape, it's giving waist snatched. Okay, so hopefully this like hugs my body and it doesn't just sit on top of it. And there's a little bit of stretch here, and then the bottom, I didn't even see that till now, you guys. Wow, I don't know. I love little things like this. I picked this up because I thought it would be a cute throw-on type of a day casual dress with some sneakers and a cute little crossbody bag. It's a look, it's a vibe. We love things like that where you look more put together. And then everything else that I have for this video is in this bag right here. Ooh, I loved this on the model as well. I haven't been able to find a good white button-down dress. Either they're too short or they're too wide and they don't look good. This one looked cinched on the website, and it looked long enough where I didn't have to feel like I needed to wear like something underneath. I still will probably wear this with some like shapewear shorts just for extra coverage because it is white, and if it's breezy, baby, you don't want it to blow up, you know what I'm saying? So this is just such a great staple, and I think Temu does a great job, like I said, with basics like this. The quality is really nice, and it reminds me of something that I would find at Zara. So this I got in a size small, I remember, and I think it's gonna be cute because I don't want to have to wear it with like a belt or something since it's already cinched. So I have a feeling we're going to love this piece, and I think it's just like great for all year round. And then I also got a couple more like knitwear items. This also looked super cute when I saw it on the Temu website. This is a cardigan, and it's just giving spring. Look at the peaches. I love this material. It's very thick, it's soft, it's stretchy, it's fitted at the wrist. And this again I thought would be a great layering piece to wear with like a bodysuit, some denim shorts. Throw this on. It's a casual look for the daytime and you won't be cold. I also really like the buttons. I don't know if you guys can see that. Very cute. This I got, again, I think in a medium. I tend to kind of size up for sweaters like that. And then the last thing I got is this cropped white knit sweater. Super cute. Very cropped in the front. I don't know if you guys can see how short that is. So I don't know if this is a shrug or if it's like a cropped sweater. So definitely might want to wear like a cute like bralette or something underneath. I'm not sure. We'll try it on and see how it looks. There is like a loose thread here, so I'll have to cut that out, but I think this is a really cute, again, like transitional piece because it is kind of like a crochet where it's open, very breathable, light and airy, but it's like one of those fashion pieces. Definitely need to wear something underneath now that I'm looking at this. So those are all the items that I picked up for my spring try on from Temu. If you guys see anything that you guys like, definitely be sure to check out the links in the description box and use this coupon code so you guys can save additional on your next order. And let me know in the comments down below which item was your favorite from this video, and I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye!